security just went up. Cleaning. Can't wait to spoil this guy when I'm rich.
Could blame it on your lips, your touch, your kiss, you know, real traditional. But your love's too original. You were anything but conventional. Baby, did you know that from the moment we fell in and knew we couldn't fall?
Hello. Wow. Hi guys, I'm at the Apple store. I'm getting some apples. Ooh, I'm so excited. No, I'm not getting them. My man is getting them for me. My phone storage was quite full and I've been using his phone to record this amazing videos that you guys watch. So he was like, you know what? I don't want you using my phone anymore. So let's go get you a new phone and a new MacBook to make your life easier. So guys, you better watch me in this content creation journey of mine. I'm thinking of getting this phone. Oops.
I want to get you the fork thing. Yeah. The
we don't have that. This is the Pro, right? No. Who is that? That shelf.
do they make the glass?
Yeah, it's the handle.
I'm so excited. I feel so good. Oh, God bless my man. God bless him. God bless him. Can't wait to spoil this guy when I'm rich. Please watch my YouTube videos, Aki, so I can be able to afford him. Oh God. Thank you so much for this man. Oh babe, I'm so grateful. My apples. Hey Siri. Too bad now we can't share a charger.
Yeah, I never had a phone protector.
Oh, you're a very careful person. I've always had one. because the time I bought a phone and I left the store, it broke the same day.
Oh, really?
So since that day, I get one. My fruits. You got me some apples. Transporting my new babies. My apples.
Welcome to the family.
This looks outdated.
Yeah.
Guys, look at the elevator. It looks so grand. You can see the lighting. Maybe it looks good.
This is what my mother was designing, what, 15 years ago? This sort of aesthetic.
So guys, now we are getting some dinner. My partner is looking at me. So we are getting some dinner. Then we head home to open my apples, open my fruits, my new babies. Oh my god, I'm so excited, I can't even eat. That's why we're getting some takeaway. We are getting some Korean chicken in this really nice place. Let me show you how it looks. I don't know how to act. I feel so good. Oh my god, I'm so blessed. Quality just went up. To my man, thank you to my man. Oh babe, thank you so much. Wow. Can your phone even?
No, I can't.
Right. Babe, tell them to subscribe and watch.
It's for you to say.
Watch, subscribe, share my videos. Thank you to my man. Guys, my first MacBook Air. Woohoo! Wow. Wow. Oh, baby, it feels so good. Woo.
I am not with Metro anymore. I am with
ATT. Wait, let me show them what I used to use. I'm out of the Stone Age.
Open it up. Show the keyboard.
The ghetto. The ghetto.
Moving on up.
Wow, guys, from that to this. How do I open it? It's even like, wow! Oh! Wow, wow, wow! Even the box feels like this. Wow! Guys, wow! Look, I got a color to match my watch. What? You need to do that?
Maybe.
Hello. Okay guys, let me set it up. I'll show you more. Twinning. Wow. Wow, babe. You brought me from far. I'm still living in the Stone Age.
I'm Siri. Choose. Hi, I'm Siri.
This is what I was using, and it was fake. Fake. I'm with. I'm not with Metro anymore. I'm with ATT. I got a real one. You see? See? Wow, babe. Thank you so much. There are men in this world. And then there's my man. Oh wow, they make the fakes look like the real ones, right?
Yeah, just keep your faith.
No.
And you want to do the honors?
Wow. Wow, babe. Wait, let me see the fake.
It's probably the same thing.
Yeah. Sold. But this one's sold by Apple, right? Okay, yeah, these guys do a good job.